Hi everyone. So this question came on GATE ECE 2025 paper. So this question is a probability based question. So mostly the question is not that difficult, but it may be a bit lengthy. So I will tell you a way to solve this in a fast manner. That trick I have taught in my full course students. So you have two fair dice which are rolled. Let x be the random variable representing the sum of outcomes. So your outcomes can be if you have rolled a dice, that means it can be minimum 2, right? 2 can be the minimum value. So because both dice will get 1 and 1, you have to find out the expected value of x. So what is expected value of x? Like if I just write the expected value of x, that means basically it is for a discrete, this is a discrete random variable. For a discrete random variable, it is basically summation of xi pi, correct? Summation of xi pi from I equals to 1 to I equals to n. That is the value of expected value of x. So will be a bit hectic if you solve it with the conventional method. Just check all conditions 1 1 then 1 2 like this, right? So we have a trick which I have taught in my full course. You have to remember one thing, but I feel like remembering that will help you many times, because rolling two dice, it comes very frequently, and if you remember this thing, this will be very helpful, some of the outcomes. So generally what I tell students to remember is that, let's say you have rolled a dice, right? What is the minimum value that you can get? Minimum value sum you can get is 2, right? Both dice get as 1 1. Then 3 also you can get, 4 also you can get, 5 also you can get, 6 also you can get, then 7 will be here, 8 also you can get. If one dice is 6, other dice is 2, then you can get 9, then you can get 10, you can get 11. What is the maximum value that you can get? 12. Now these are the possible outcomes, all the possible sum outcomes, right? Now how many times are these possible? Like if you are rolling two dice, right, what are the total number of sample space? What is the total sample space? There are total 36 sample space. Okay, so if you have done bit of probability, you will know this. So what happens, you just have to remember this bit, that how many times can you get this 1 1? Only once, right? So below this one, below this 2, you can write 1. How many times can you get this 3? Actually twice. This is one of the case, another case is this one. Okay, and it will keep on increasing like this: 1 2 3 4. Okay, and okay, 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, yeah. Then it will be here 5, then again it will keep on reducing, it will keep on reducing. 1 2 3 4, sorry, this will be 4 here, it will 5, this will be 6. So you can get 7 6 times, then again it will not increase. How many ways can you get 8? There are 5 ways. Like let's come to this point, last one. How many ways can you get 12? There is only one way, right? If both the rolls come as 6 and 6, so there is only one way. Again, how many ways can you get 11? Either 5 6 or 6 5. So again, this is 2, so this will increase like this they will just form a pattern, and this will be 5. So this is how you remember, right? The sum of dice and how many times each sum can happen. So you can just write this triangle, something like this, in your note writing pad during the exam rough pad, and then from here you can solve directly. So now what is the probability to get sum as 2? It is 1 by, there are 1 favorable outcomes out of total 36 outcomes. So what will happen, your expectation of x is summation of xi pi. So I have to multiply these two and add all of them, right? And not just these two, the probability here, right, is 1 by 36, correct? So I have to multiply, everything has 1 by 36, so I can directly take out this term 1 by 36 in common. Okay, I hope you understand this point. And the probability, this is what, this is the xi, this is my xi, and this is my pi, right? This is my pi and this is my xi. Pi is 1 is the favorable number of outcomes divided by total number of sample space, that is 36. So this will come out to be 2 by 2 into 1, okay, plus 3 into 2, plus 4 into 3, plus 5 into 4, plus 6 into 5, plus 7 into 6. Now do you notice one thing? Like I will tell you what you will notice, that again if I write this 5 into 8, plus 4 into 9, plus 3 into 10, plus 11 into 2, plus 12 into 1. Okay, so I hope you understand this one, why this 1 by 36 is there. These, right, this 1 2, all these are number of favorable outcomes divided by the total number of outcomes 36, and this is the xi. So these part is the pi, this is the xi. With all the terms 1 by 36 will be common, so I taken it outside the brackets. Now if you see a pattern, right, wherever this one is there, right, so this one I can take out as common. Basically, what do I mean? So I can write 36 and I can combine these two terms. So total this will be 1 into 12 plus 2, plus then again I can combine these 2 and these 2 here. So it will become as 2 into 2 into 3 plus 11, and it will go on. If you see, the sum will always be 14. It will go on till what? This will be 3 into 14 plus this will be 4 into 14 plus 5 into 14 will be there, plus now this term is with itself. This also I can write in terms of 14. How? This will be 3 into 2 into 7, or I can write 3 into 14. Okay, so basically again I can take the 14 common. So if I take the 14 common, so 14 by 36 into this will be 1 plus 2 plus 3 till 5. Okay, you can use the sum of n natural numbers plus 3 is there. So this will be basically 14 by 36, which is 7 by 18 into sum of n natural numbers. Here I have 5 natural numbers, so it will be 5 into 6 divided by 2 plus 3 is of course there. So this will come out to be as, I hope you can see the screen. So this will come out to be 7 by 18 into 18. So ultimately answer will be 7. Now of course you will tell, sir, you took so much time to solve this question, but I was explaining, right? I was explaining. But someone who knows the concept of expectation, someone who knows this diagram, right, you will directly draw this and directly start with this calculations. So it will not take you much time if you know this pattern. Else, like it becomes lengthy. That's it. Question is not difficult, but basically the question will be just a bit lengthy. So that was about it for this question. Like this is one of the lengthy questions that I got from the GATE 2025 paper. So if you have any other questions, you can join in our Telegram group and send there. Thank you for watching and happy learning.